Hello world, here with my boy Swamp Thing. Alright, I'm gonna sign the door, Martian. It ain't Christmas unless you can make your boy cry. Reach in there underneath that, there's a bag right there to your right by the ice chest. Yeah? Yep, grab that bag. Nope. Grab the bag. I don't wrap gifts. Look at what's behind it. Grab that too. What? It's Martian green, you can't see it? Yes. Look at this dude here, man. I ain't asked my boy for nothing. That's a friend. Look. It's Merry Christmas. Early Christmas, dude. It's December the 18th. It ain't the 25th yet.
Close enough. Might not. I'm going out of town.
Thank you, my brother.
Love you, brother.
Love you too, brother. Gonna take me 30 minutes to get 40 yards. What side you want? Pick a side right now. Left or right? Cause this fish territory right here. This is probably the deep part of the cut that we got. Just the beginning of it. You see where that little island is at the end? That's the pond. That starts shallowing up right there. So we fish that bottleneck right here, you know? Yep, I can't catch them on a 3-inch slim swim. And they short striking that. Had to finesse, short strike and everything. Thanks for the bite, buddy. Yeah. There you go. You making groceries? On the board, baby. You making groceries? Oh, listen. You making groceries? All right. I wish they have a good video this week because it's supposed to have rainy weather coming up. How you swimming? How some could be swimming with your bait when you set nothing is there? I mean, literally gone with it. Then the wind gets your old nasty nut. There we go. Little stump knocker. Yep. No fishing for a month and a half to bringing in 7 fish with my boy in an hour. Yep. Oh, Corey. They just picking it up while I'm bouncing and taking off with it. I need an exposed hook, but if I put an exposed hook on, then I'm gonna catch everything else. Let's go. Old Faithful. Went back to my old school creature bait. I used to molly hop them on and hit original bait. Little fat bass. There we go. Told you they love that little bait, boy. Ah. Yee. Molten crawl.
They're not gonna spray. Woohoo!
Dude, that was a thing.
Best fish of the day.
See, there's a good farmer moving up. I bet you they all in that look. They where the wind came from.
I do this every winter though. Little perch. That ain't no perch.
Damn.
9. Sure you don't want a bug? There we go. The fish that pop out. Ooh. Keep that one. I got one and I'm gonna skin up a couple and try this new butter sauce my sponsor brought me. My sponsor brought me some butter sauce. Keep that one. Yeah, me too. Hey, I'm dealing with it now though. We go. He was kind of out. Yeah, he was out pretty good. Worst kind of thief they got is a worm thief. Oh, my worm gone. Took my worm. That worm been doing good for 4 trips. How you like that? Worm thief. All right.
Man, a nice bass too.
I think I'm at 14. 15.
There you go.
Ain't nothing but little ones, but we having fun. Well, yeah, D. Oh, okay. Got some Epsom salt in the water to get a little soak. What color you got on that? Oh, baby. Yeah. Double up. Double Dutch bus coming down the street. I don't need nothing for him. He just want to know what we caught him on. I'm keeping it for me. Throw him back. I got my own groceries. I got to keep this one. He's in the gills. Yeah, this one here is in the gills, so I got to keep him. He going to die. It's cool. That wasn't the pole you called me for. Yeah, so you got mud, you teaching mud, huh? I said, yeah. He said, I like that video, I like that video. I said, good, I'm glad you like that video. Nah, regular. Regular good eater. Oh, poor baby.